Hey, wanna come on a walk? My name's Ryan. I've been a photographer for 3 years now. I got my first camera in like 2020 during COVID. It was a Nikon D5600. Since then, I've been taking a bunch of classes at SUNY for photography, and I still have a long way to go, but recently I started looking for my own new camera. I realized how frustrating it is trying to find a new camera. I wanted to make a YouTube channel in which I do real-world reviews of cameras so that you can actually just see what the camera's like in action, because I found most people just sit at a desk and they never actually show you what the camera's like. They just talk about all the specs, but what we're all really interested in is how does the camera perform? The name of the channel is going to be Walks and Talks, because that's what we're going to do. We're going to walk around neighborhoods, cities, towns, and we're going to review a camera, or I'm going to be giving you guys tips and tricks on a camera that I have reviewed. Our first actual video is going to take place in SUNY, where I'm going to review the Sony Alpha A7 IV. Hey guys, thanks for coming along on the walk. If you liked it, if you liked what I'm doing, if you want to see some more camera reviews, get help, tips and tricks, come along on more walks. Hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload a video. P.S. just for you guys who are curious, I'm shooting on the Canon EOS 1N. It's a film camera, and I'm shooting on Kodak color reversal slide film. And if you guys want to see what the photos look like, I'm going to post them on my Instagram. So go follow me there at Ryan Dittmar Photography. Thanks guys.